Hi all, it's me Dr. Amrita here. Hope each and everyone is doing well and good. Welcome to my small YouTube family. So, I was receiving so many queries from most of them asking me to put a video regarding what are the essential documents or the certificates which are required for all India quota as well as the state counseling purposes. So I thought, why can't we discuss it about today? So because of that, I'm here. So first of all, I really want to say that this is a time. Actually, now we are free. Our counseling have not started yet. That means just registration. Registration was started just before 2 days, and the first round of counseling has not been started yet now. So it is a time. It is a time to collect all those certificates and everything. Please don't wait till AAQ people have started all those choice filling or anything. Please collect all the certificates now and now. So, because these certificates are very essential, what I really want to say in case of AIQ, if you have got reservation and all, AIQ people will not ask all those things that soon. That means during the choice filling or anything, not they're not going to ask at that time. After once your counseling, everything get okay and you got a seat, and after that they will be asking you all to upload your reservation certificates and everything. Please don't wait till that. Okay, start collecting all your certificates now because the certificates are going to be very important. So how to get all those certificates and everything I'm going to talk in this video. So first of all, we can classify into like your AQ as well as your state. Especially I'm speaking about the Kerala. So Kerala counseling, during the Kerala counseling, during the registration and when the Kerala counseling started itself, they would ask you to download ask you to sorry not download ask you to submit all those valid documents. So please don't wait till the Kerala people start the counseling. Before that, this is a time now. Just collect all the certificates. Like PWD candidates can collect all your certificates. Then likewise you have got any reservation like OBC, SC, ST or anything. It's a time to get all those certificates. Please don't wait. Income certificate and non-criminal certificate and everything. See the village office. It's see I'm really bored to go to village office and collect all those things because we want to stand for long and long. I don't like actually. I'm so sorry to say you guys because I doesn't like to go to village office because it's like just before 10 years and all. I just remember like during our like I think 10 or 12 years before, I don't exactly remember, during our like plus 2 or that 12th time, what was actually like for Kerala entrance and purposes, we used to stand for a long time, and evening itself they will be asking why you are here. From morning itself we will be in a queue, and here I doesn't like going this village officer. So it's better that you can just apply to Akshaya or while this e-district portal. If you know that, you can apply by yourself. I know so many of my friends are applying all this by themselves itself. If you're going to Akshay and all, it's cost around 240, 250 rupees only. Just I used to go while Akshaya. So there you can say what all documents that you are required. Like in Kerala and all, you want to say like Kerala educational purposes, we need this income certificates, non-criminal. So those people used to do it very fast and get it. And for this all India purposes, you want central purposes. This is a heading you want to tell them, like for central educational purposes. That is the central thing which is issued from the Tahsildar. The other for Kerala and state purposes, it's mainly from village officer. So this should be this key point should be always mentioned. Or if you didn't say, they will do by themselves and make everything bore. So this thing you want to say that for Kerala, for state purposes, you want to say for educational purposes. I want to get it for this all India quota for central education purposes. That is issued by the Tahsildar. See what nowadays they used to ask, like we want to submit our parents' SSLC plus two and all those things. So you want to give all those things. Previously, I don't think just before 12 years and all, nobody is going to ask. I think during my time, during that plus two time and all, I think we used to get it. But nowadays, I think they want so many documents like ration card and so many. So just give all those things, and these people will within 5 days itself you will get your certificate. So please don't just wait for this Kerala counseling to start. Now it is a time, just collect all those certificates. And for economically weaker section also, in some districts, especially in Trivandrum and all, so many like they will come there, and there's so many procedures and everything. They will not be always nice to us. So I also have seen so many of them. I've seen like economically weaker section. Some of the village officer will not issue the certificate, and there are so many things are there. So it is better that if you have got that. The other economical weekly section also, you're having so many reservation here. So if you're having all those things, do it everything quickly. Don't wait, don't lag it, because at that when you lag, what happen if they says that no, I cannot issue, means what happen? You're it's all this time is actually valuable. Please don't do any mistake, that kind of mistake. Get all your certificates now. And I really want to say that I actually miss my first year certificate. Do you know why? Because in first year I think I got only a second class, and second year 3 4 I got first class. So when I got the first year, actually anatomy was a nightmare for me, and biochem, I love biochem at that time. Physio, it was okay. And what happened is I got only second class in first year, so I didn't like that. I didn't like that means I was not convinced with that result. So what I do means I used to keep this first year certificates to hide somewhere that nobody want to notice it. So I kept somewhere like one book to other book. I used to hide somewhere else, and finally I actually lost that certificate of first year. So what I really want to again pay some extra, like around 2,000, I think that's rupees. Again, just like, yeah, if you want to get a duplicate one, I need to apply that fee. And it took around 1 month to get that certificate. It's depend upon from your institute to institute, it will vary. So please don't do that kind of mischiefs and all. So, and also you want to get your migration certificate also. Please don't wait to get this certificate once your admission gets clicks. This is a time to get all your certificate. And also cross check all your certificates are there with you, like 10th, 12th, and everything should be there in your fingertips. And I know some of my friends, they used to lose these certificates going to the photostat that thing and get lost all those things. Is not the time now to lose all the certificate. It's a time to grab all certificates. So please now itself just check whether all your certificates are within your hands itself. So yeah, so we can discuss about what are the essential certificates that you require soon after you get a seat here. So this is of course first you want your Neet PT 2024, your hall ticket as well as your rank list, that is your scorecard. That your scorecard is essential. And very important, I want to say that please download the scorecard as soon as possible. It is available in the website, because after some dates you will miss that scorecard. Usually previous year and all, like after so many days there will be no option for this scorecard to be downloaded. So please, again every day, if you look the website, no issues, just go through the website. That these recent days it's very important that you want to go on searching this NPO, this website and all. Just get your scorecard, that is your rank letter, and your admit card, that is a whole ticket, is very important. And all those MBBS mark sheet, whether it is first year, second year, third year, fourth year, and what all certificates you have, all it just collect it, as well as the MBBS degree certificate is very important. If like Amrita, like deemed institute, you will be having a separate certificate, as well as for TCMC, yes, of course, everyone will be having another certificate. So it's depend upon, like in Kerala, we will be having TCMC, Travancore Cochin Medical, that thing. For Karnataka, it will be there, and it's all depend upon. You want that also, it's very important. And also internship completion certificate is must. And also, yeah, I just discussed about this professional certificate, whether it is professional, whether it is permanent, get all those certificate. And also the birth certificate is very important. Birth certificate or class 10, that's all nativity. It's very important for this nativity and all. Then you want a valued photo, that always you will be having so many photos, I think. And also your author, your Aadhaar card, your passport, if you have all those valid documents. Then, as I already mentioned, migration certificate is very important. That is issued from your university itself. So, which college and always depend upon. So, very, very important. Migration certificate is very important. And conduct certificate, then yeah, for in-service candidates, you will be having this service certificate is very, very important. You will be having reservation in so many quotas, like so in service, that is very, very important. And always, as I already mentioned, like your caste certificate, your non-criminal certificate, income certificate, and all those. If you have got economically weaker session also, you will be having good reservation. So you want that also. And for disability, also those candidates, you also want that disability certificate. And also the medical fitness certificate is also essential while during the period of admission. So you want all those certificates, 10, 12, and everything should be in your fingertips. And always, what I used to do, always I will be having a big file, and I used to keep everything in that big file itself. So that is a very important thing. So these are the certificates. Certificates are always essential. Please don't be lazy in getting this certificate. As I told, this is a time where you can get all those certificates, especially the non-criminal, if you're having NCL, if you're having income and everything. PWD, economical weakened section, or any certificate means that's all very got a small reservation also, that matters a lot. So get all those certificates now. And if you are already having certificates, please recheck whether all certificates are whether with you, or if you have got missed any of the certificates, it's a time. So yeah, it was a one of a very short video of mine. Hope I think everyone have registered all India registered and all. I hope each and everyone is doing well and good. If you've got any queries or anything regarding this counseling or anything, please do comment it now in my comment section. I'm ready to answer all those things. And it's time for me to go bye bye. So I hope each and everyone is doing well and good again. So we'll meet again with another topic. So till then, it's time for me to go bye bye. Thank you guys for listening me.